When was the last time you felt your city truly cared about the safety and efficiency of its public transit? That might change today as Hayden AI, a tech leader in vision-based artificial intelligence systems, announces a major leap forward. Over 2,000 of its advanced camera systems have now been installed on public buses worldwide. This isn't just a technical milestone. It cements Hayden AI's position as the dominant provider of automated enforcement solutions for bus lanes, bike lanes, and other critical urban zones in the United States. And that's no small feat. But here's where it gets controversial. While many cheer for safer streets and smoother commutes, not everyone agrees with putting cameras on public vehicles to monitor and ticket drivers. Some argue it's an invasion of privacy, while others see it as a necessary step toward reclaiming city streets for those who depend on buses and bikes. Where do you stand? Let's break down what this really means and why it matters to you. Hayden AI has developed vehicle-mounted cameras that use artificial intelligence to automatically spot parking and traffic violations in real time, even while the bus is in motion. This isn't just about catching cars parked in bus lanes. The technology is smart enough to learn from its environment, getting better at spotting violations over time. And here's the kicker. All the processing happens right on the device, called edge computing, which saves energy and adds a layer of privacy protection, something more cities are demanding these days. According to Marty Beard, CEO of Hayden AI, the company's mission is to use cutting-edge computer vision to help cities and transit agencies move people more safely and efficiently. The system is engineered to adapt to different urban landscapes, whether it's the bustling streets of New York, the sprawling grid of Los Angeles, or the historic avenues of Philadelphia, making it possible to enforce parking and bus lane rules consistently and with accuracy. Beyond buses, Hayden AI is also expanding its reach with streetcars. In Philadelphia, a new partnership with the Philadelphia Parking Authority, PPA, and the Southeastern Pennsylvania Transportation Authority, SEPTA, will see camera enforcement systems installed on urban streetcars as well. These cameras will monitor for violations in stops and where illegally parked cars block streetcar movement, showing that the system's flexibility isn't just for buses. The impact of these cameras is already visible in 9 major U.S. agencies, including cities like New York, Washington, D.C., and Los Angeles, as well as Oakland, Sacramento, West Hollywood, and more. For cities struggling with congestion, these AI-driven cameras help buses stay on schedule, improve safety for all road users, especially those with disabilities, and keep bike lanes and bus stops clear. A triple win for urban mobility. And this is the part most people miss. By continuously improving through machine learning, Hayden AI's platform evolves with the city it serves. Each new installation not only expands coverage, but also sharpens the system's ability to detect and respond to new types of violations, paving the way for even smarter cities in the future. So, what's the catch? Although the technology promises safer streets and fewer traffic jams, it also raises questions about surveillance and fairness. Are automated cameras the best way to enforce traffic laws? Or do they risk going too far? Should cities rely on AI to keep bus lanes clear? Or is there a better, more human-centered approach? Hayden AI's answer is clear. Their Vision AI and custom hardware deliver safer, smarter streets by making sophisticated technology practical for everyday urban life. But as this technology spreads, the debate about privacy, enforcement, and the future of urban mobility is just heating up. What do you think? Should cameras on buses and streetcars be the new normal? Or does this cross a line? Leave your thoughts below. Let's get the conversation started. To learn more about Hayden AI and how their technology is transforming cities, visit www.hayden.ai.